Hello everyone, I hope that you're having a nice weekend and welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis, of course. And starting on the daily chart, as we can see, we have an impulse in the green label that we are still need to finish with a wave 5 towards the upside. Now, after finishing this wave 4 here with hitting the fib level 0.5 perfectly, we can see this sideways wave 4 might even tend to go even longer. So the possibilities are several, and starting by here, if we have an ABC, we are looking then to another ABC possible finished regular flat or a running flat, and we are looking, of course, for continuation towards the downside with another zigzag towards, of course, the 0.618 in case if it invalidates, of course, this whole impulse. Now, if we don't touch, of course, the 0.618, we might finish, of course, 3 waves towards the downside, 3 waves sideways, and 3 waves towards the downside again. And in that way, it might finish your 3 waves correction, preferably to not touch, of course, the 0.618 to continue towards the upside for a bigger wave 5 for this impulse. This is your first scenario. Your second scenario in this correction is that you have an A, B, and a C. Your wave C is finished already here, and you are looking here to 3 waves up and 3 waves down, and potentially 5 waves up towards the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, finishing as this regular flat in case it is a regular flat. Now, next is, of course, this 2 structure has been finished. You still need 1 zigzag structure or flat or triangle to finish this WXY again, so we might range even much more for much more longer for this wave 4 to finish. Again, another wave is, or another option is, of course, an expanding flat where you can have here an ABC finished and B is overshooting under A, and you might see a bigger wave C towards the upside hitting the 1.618, of course, for another expanding flat. After this, the same scenario repeats. We need another structure to finish here, possibly zigzag, flat, or triangle to finish this WXY. Now, the most possible scenario now that we are looking for is a finished wave 4 exactly here with a wave C, and we are looking for an impulse already with a wave 1 here in the white label, and we are looking for ABC finished potentially wave 2 exactly hitting the green box for 0.786, which is the perfect scenario for an impulse. And if we are here 1, 2, we want to see a wave 3 going up, touching the 1.618, going down for wave 4, and continue towards the upside for a final wave 5. If we look closer inside the 1 hour chart, we can see that we have on the hour chart 2 scenarios. One is bearish and the other is bullish. Starting with the bullish scenario, where we want to continue the last scenario that we saw, where we have a 1 and 2 finish, potentially hitting, of course, the 0.78, hitting this wave 2, and we want to look for more prices towards the upside. Now, if you want to look for more prices towards the upside, then definitely you need a 1, 2 again, and 3 towards the upside to start your wave 3. Now, this is your diagonal that is forming in the bullish scenario, where you have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, finishing your first wave as a 1, and you are looking for 3 waves corrective again for a wave 2, and after that, of course, going impulsively and massively towards the upside. In that case, that this pattern has transformed to WXY. This is your W, X, and Y finishing in zigzag towards the upside, expanded flat towards the downside, and then a zigzag finishing a Y towards the upside. Now, how we know the difference between 3 waves and a diagonal? Now, of course, the diagonal, you want to see a continuation towards the upside. You still have missing 1 wave towards the upside, while if you are WXY, you just want to continue toward the downside. So to be careful, of course, with a diagonal now, you want to see lower prices hitting those fib levels, but you want to see another wave 5 continuing towards the upside. While if you are in WXY, you will have just to continue towards the downside, of course passing the fib level of a wave 2 even, and even possibly lower. So that was it for Solana. I hope that you like it, and if you did, please press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe for the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice week and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.